A lawyer. The initial step to becoming a lawyer generally is 5 years of undergraduate study. The lawyer is a certified professional who advises and represents natural and juristic people in legal matters. This profession practices the legal defense in a trial, as well as the judicial and administrative processes. He or she acts as advocates and advisors. Some of their tasks are represent clients in court or before government agencies. Also, they present evidence to defend clients to study the Constitution, statutes, interpret laws, ruling, and regulation for individuals and businesses. They draw up legal documents like wills, deeds, contracts, lawsuits, and appeals. They may also oversee legal assistance or paralegals. Besides, lawyers may have different titles and different duties depending on where they
What types of lawyers are there? A lawyer is a person who is graduated in law and duly registered in the professional association, provides legal services to his or her clients, by means of advice and or assistance in both judicial and extrajudicial proceedings. For example, labor lawyers. They are specialized in labor and social security law. The most common cases in which they intervene are dismissals, disabilities, war accidents, and the like. Criminal lawyers. As their name suggests, they are dedicated to criminal law, in the which there has been a criminal activity. Their function is to assist and defend the interests of their clients in declaration. Civil lawyers. They are dedicated to matters of civil law. Therefore, they defend the interests of individuals, which can be natural or legal persons, companies, entities. Likewise, nowadays we can find lawyers specialized in specific matters such as real estate law, mortgage, or clauses. Family lawyers. It is a sub-branch of the civil law. We can consider it as a specialist since there are many lawyers specialized in family law. The most common matters in which they intervene are separation and divorce. Administrative lawyers. Their field of action is in public administration. They intervene in administrative life with files of ordinance or claims for damages. Commercial lawyers. They are involved in the business world. In recent years, they have been very much involved due to the large increase in bankruptcy proceedings. However, their role is not limited to the judicial field, but they also deal with the drafting of agreements. Tax lawyers. They specialize in financial and tax law, i.e., everything that has to do with tax fees. As can be are different types of lawyers according to the different specialties within the law, whenever the intervention of a lawyer is necessary.
First, having good arguments. One of the characteristics that cannot be lacking in every good lawyer is argumentation, since these professionals dedicate part of their day to exposing their points of view in front of whoever it takes. Second, Negotiating in almost any case, the agreements between the parties are an essential part of your job. That is why it is important that you have good negotiation skills that allow you to reach good agreements before falling into more complex procedures. Third, persuasion is another skill that makes a good lawyer, since it can make a difference, not only when presenting a case, but also convincing the jury about your client's position. Fourth, persistence is a very important quality. A lawyer is never allowed to surrender. He must be willing to fight to the end to achieve his goals. This does not mean that it will not fall, but that you will have to be prepared to get up as many times as necessary.
Importance of the lawyer in society. The lawyer acts in different ways to contribute to society. They can be: first, to act as a mediator, since he acts as a leader in a group as creating rules that individuals so that they can clarify situations. Second, the lawyer as defender defends the rules of interceptor and collaborator before the disadvantages of others. This profession is important because they defend the community for the situation previously occurred accusations. Third, the lawyer as a connoisseur is the promoter of peace and social conciliation. A lawyer is important because he fulfills the vice function as mediator, connoisseur, and defender of law and justice, which are of great value to society.